Hi everybody, it's Christy again. I wanted to show you this journal that I finished. It is My Lily. Is that what it's called? Lily, My Love. That's what it's called. And that is from ljbinstaprint. And yeah, it's really cute. This is an envelope cover, 9x12 envelope, and I've covered it with paper from the kit. I've got a sheet of music here with some cheesecloth and a lily there, some words from, actually these are from another kit that was the Fresh Daisies kit. And I believe that's LJB too. Yes, ljbinstaprint. So I added a little crochet ribbon. I've got a crochet tie. But yeah, this turned out really cute. I made large, very large tags to go in the front pocket, and I loved that accidentally continued the page here with the crochet. But yeah, this is really cool. And music, coffee dyed paper, a belly band, some really, really pretty lilies. I don't know if that's written in French or German or if it's even real words because I can't read it. A little banner, my short page, some tags. I ordered some cheesecloth and it came with this kitchen twine, so that's what I used there. Just some journaling cards and some tags. This is an envelope that came with the kit, so I shrunk it in half. This is half size, put some lace on the bottom, and I've just clipped it over the little corner flip. Another page from the kit, dictionary, more from the kit. This is just a tuck spot. Some writing paper from the kit, green bar. This is the tall pocket that came with the kit, so I used one of the envelopes and made it into a pocket, and then I used this one. It has a little where is it open? Oh, it doesn't open. I glued it together, but it's double-sided and it fits in here. I just put a piece of lace on the side. Another fold over from Roxy Creations / Lori Girl on the Ridge, with just a little journal spot. I happen to have pink buttons. Bingo card that came with the kit, eyelash trim. I found this image, this paper right here is from the kit, but I found this image on Pixabay and I just loved it, so I knew I had to use it in here. And I just added some index cards with some crochet trim. And this is Gail's centerpiece. That's what I'm going to call it from now on, because I just love the way it looks, and I saw it on her channel. This is the back of the other flip, and I just have another one, journal card in there. took one of the journal cards and just folded it vertically, stuck it in that pocket. Tag, the ace, came with the kit. This was a fun kit to work with. I made the tags. It didn't have tags, so I just used the pages to make my own tags out of the papers. Pull out my old Photoshop skills and made a clipping mask so I don't have to reinvent the wheel every time I want tags. Yeah, I love this. I believe that's Leonardo da Vinci. It looks familiar to me. And the bingo card. Another one of the lace-trimmed little mini envelopes. Banner. Belly band with some journal cards. And then another large tag in the back. And you can kind of see more of what I'm talking about with the crochet continuing around. I thought that was cool. So I used this paper for these tags. So that was quite nice the way that turned out. I just used some of the crochet trim for tying. And yeah, I like the way that it turned out. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.